you, Lord. But does you love me? I see you, Lord. Help me get through, cause I have helped you. I see you, Lord. I see you, Lord. I see you, Lord. And you better fucking well, see me.
This for the kids with no water, parentals out of order, and classrooms before lunch trying to bum up some quarters. The missed meal pain set in and got them feeling hopeless. Promise on my granny it rained pain when I wrote this. They said apply yourself, you win looking ferocious. Just try to jot this shit the dopest with my opus focus. On the closest bag, ripped it open, Hulk Hogan. I gotta spread it to telly, don't forget the Trojans. Or the problem starts over, pleasure turns into war. You not the potato boy that went to Basquiat, Mosquito, Puerto Rican from marijuana. We in the drop, cruising the same blocks. The legends got pop. Easy to see mistakes from windows of opportunity. Ambitious, gratitude to the failures. I prep the kitchen, no span to play creation. Such an abomination, requires sinister dreams, little concentration. Sleepless nights, bags under my eye, you know the breaks. Studio life, package it right, ship that fragile freight. Wait, that's just a synopsis. Imagine how the plot gets. It's like I don't write, I close my eyes and my soul spit God shit. That's one confession for you. Rosary, shut the curtain, Lord, and I'll continue. I swear they watch my moves, they can't stand the sight. Ray-Bans in hand, shade much, fuck it, that's life. The level up comes with an unthinkable price. Bitches be bucking, but euthanasia got them afraid to bite. Put them down, no vet, brutal, fatal, deadly, prenatal. Kill them before they hatch, this the throwaway batch. Somebody talk me down before it goes out of bounds. Not a violent dude, but I'm itching to waste a couple rounds. I'm showing off at this point. Plug the ash out the window, show the presidential. The bar's so essential. Laughter turned to tears. This is the summer fears. Just trying to find my Wendy Cooper and my Wonder Gears. Slumber fears, waking up the lights by the window. That's how you tuck yourself in and sleep with that fofo.